Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We see that number 2 next to y, and we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that number 2 with the positive next to y, that is for integrating factor. This one we have e to the power of 2x. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Now we simplify and we have e to the power of s, because 2x minus s, we have positive s. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of 2s. This one we have e to the power of s, and I will put about c. Now we have the condition. So when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 2 over e. So we put y and s to find the value of c. This one we have e to the power of number 2. Now we simplify and we have 2e. This one we have e, and we have the final answer in here. We have 2e minus e, and we have e. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.